Today we are going to make this delicious chicken adobo with ginger and coconut milk. Let's get started! Let's put our chicken. Garlic, I'm using minced garlic here. Peppercorns, and also 3 pieces of bay leaves, soy sauce. Let it come to a boil. Let it come to a boil. Now that it's boiling, let's just cover and turn it down into a low medium heat. Simmer it for about 20 to 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, guys, and I just want to mix it a little bit. Going to separate the chicken meat from its sauce. And set this aside. And now we also set aside this chicken sauce. We're going to use this later on. Now, using the same pan, we are going to fry our potatoes and also our carrots. Now we just want to set this aside also. Using the same pan, we are going to saute our ginger. Add our minced garlic. Now let's add back our chicken meat. Toast it nicely. Smells delicious. Okay, now that it got a little color, let's add back our chicken sauce that we set aside. Smells delicious. Let's turn down the heat into low-medium heat. And let's add our coconut milk. Black pepper. Also our chicken cube. I'm adding 1 chicken cube. And let's add back our potatoes and carrots. Let's just mix it. Mix it nicely. Oops! Don't forget the vinegar. Cover and cook for another 7 to 10 minutes. This is after 10 minutes. Wow! Wow! This is it, guys! Make sure to cook some extra rice. Siguradong mapapakain ka ng madami sa sarap. Yum, yum! Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time! Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to like and subscribe.